in Hastings for Jack in the Green, which is obviously a very large event. There are 1 million bikes here. In fact, I think there's 3 million bikes, and everybody and their dog. We thought we'd check it out, find a place to park, but that is turning into be a bit impossible at the moment. Well, as you can see, we made it. We managed to park Herman. Just for reference, this is signposted as the bus parking for buses. It's free, and there are signs saying no motorhomes, but that's between 10 p.m. and 8 a.m. And just over through here is the beach. So in that direction is Brighton, and in that direction is Hastings. We're so far away from Hastings. But there you go. Right, we're gonna walk in now, walk into town, and meet up with the Hoi Polloi. So we're coming up on the pier. We're still probably like a mile away from the old town, which is where we're heading for. But it's chaos here, just chaos. Bikes going up and down, revving their engines, being bombarded by seagulls just then. Oh, I've got your number. Yeah, it's just crazy. So, in amongst all these motorbikes and all these people, there's a Herman, an old classic. If this is you, let us know. It's a little doggy in the front there. I mean, how do they get that parking spot? It must have been here like all weekend or something. Just look at the detail on this motorcycle. Not only the number plate, fat boy. Look at that chrome. Stand here.
Now what's that plate for?
So, just for sightseers, that's Hastings Castle just up there. About 3 bricks. It's actually about 2 or 3 walls, but anyway. Take a look back at where we've just come from. There's the pier. What a view. The camera is not giving that justice. Always looking for things that are quirky. That's the quirkiest motorbike I've ever seen. A charity rider, apparently. As you can see, it is heaving. There's thousands of people over there. We can't walk down here. It's jam-packed with solid people. Solid people? Peoples. So, we've been walking for about an hour away from Herman. We can't move. So we're gonna head back to Herman, and it's gonna take us an hour to get back. And of course we've got to get back on the road, head home. So we're gonna call it a day, although this has been an experience, do you think? So, hundreds of motorcycles, thousands of people. This is impressive, really weird, really strange, impressive. No other words for it, really. Have not seen Jack in the Green though. I think you've got to get here really early to go and see anything like that. But yeah, anyway, we're going to be heading back now. So we're coming up on Herman now. It's been a bit of a walk.
Yeah.
And it's a lot quieter now.
2 miles worth.
I think we will probably be coming back to Hastings, didn't you? Do the touristy bit rather than the motorbikes and bit.
Yes.
It's a shame we never saw Jack in his green. Or anybody in the green, really.
Finished by now.
No, I think it's still going. It's still going. Did you enjoy that though?
I did. I found that enough, really.
A bit crazy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very packed.
Busy, chock-a-block and all those words.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm going to end the video here. So, hope you enjoyed that. Tell us what you did over your spring bank holiday. Or maybe you have some of these events around you that you think that we should come along and visit. I'd be most interested to hear from you. So put them in the comments below. Until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, all that malarkey. Until next time though, goodbye and thanks for watching. You pulling faces?
No, no.
You sure?
Yeah.
I think she's pulling faces. Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.